ela. Vinha aqui na favela pra sentar no grau.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad, and I have a few new gadgets for you. If you're following my channel for a while now, you know that I've been evolving and improving everything up to this point when it comes to giving you quality content. And so I hope I look a little bit clearer. I hope I sound a little bit better. And let's go ahead and talk about tonight's topic. So I wanted to get onto the art of selling and what it takes to sell a stock. For people just starting out trading, they come to me and ask me, okay, I've gotten into the stock, now what? And for me, in my opinion, it's extremely easy to buy a stock, right? It doesn't take any, prior knowledge really to just buy into something. It's easy to do that. But the hardest part about trading is knowing when to sell. And even for the most experienced trader, that can sometimes be difficult. Having that discipline of knowing when to sell is extremely difficult, but that sets apart the traders who succeed in this game and the traders that fail, is having that plan of attack on making a proper exit. So how do you do that? You have a plan before you even make your first purchase that you know exactly how you're going to get out. And the most recent example I can give you is RDGL. I told you guys that I got in an RDGL at 0088. It got up to highs of around 3.5 cents when I got out. And the reason that I got out is because I told myself, the reason it ran the way it did was because they had stopped dilution for 10 days. And in that 10 days, they were said to be negotiating with their debtors that would be, that was causing the pre-existing dilution to take care of that debt. And so that's what people were buying. They were buying the hype that perhaps somebody would come in and buy out all of their debt, and then everything would be sunshine and rainbows, and people would buy the heck out of it. It would go to 10 cents. Everybody would be happy and rich, right? So oftentimes when stuff like this happens, it doesn't always work out, and then the stock can drop back down to where it was or even worse. And so the dilution was supposed to start back up again on October 10th of this week. And so for me, on Monday, I had to sit here and ask myself, before I even bought into this, I knew exactly how I was going to react to, this stock. And for me, when I saw that it was struggling to get past 3.5 cents, I already told myself that, okay, I have to weigh my risk. I have to have this risk tolerance. I have to have this discipline to myself and say, self, either you risk the 300% that you've already made on this stock on the hopes that a buyout would occur and send the stock soaring, or you take your 300% on the chance that maybe they don't. And so that was the struggle that I had with myself. But I already knew that if it was going to keep hitting a resistance level in that 3.5 cent range, and it really wasn't going to go past that on Monday, that for me, the sentiment for all the other traders was around the same, that maybe they weren't all that confident that RDGL was going to get this done. And we saw with the S1 form that was kind of something that we already knew that RDGL was taken care of. And for me, it just didn't feel right. And so I went ahead and made that exit because I knew exactly how I was going to exit out of that stock before I bought in. And so that's what you guys need to do for yourselves. You need to have a plan, an exit strategy before you even buy a stock. So if you got something out of this today, I hope you did. It was just a small form of insight for you as a trader. This goes beyond technical things. This goes beyond, any kind of fundamental trading. It's having that discipline within yourself, that unteachable, uncoachable discipline that you need to develop on your own. Nobody can do it for you. You have to just understand and have that self-awareness about yourself that you need to say, okay, I need to have a plan and know exactly how I'm going to get out once I buy a stock. If you have that plan going into it, that's what's going to set you apart from your success versus your failures. 100% every time, that's what's going to set you apart. So if you got something out of this, I hope you did. I hope that I earned your subscription. So click that subscribe button. If you got something out of this and you want to support my channel, please smash that like button. Also, if you're looking to step up your game and maybe not make the same mistakes that I did starting out as a trader, check out the links in the description below. I've created a community. It's called WeTradeHQ.com, and I have courses and mentorships that you can communicate and interact with me every day as the stock market is ripping and roaring at the open, and I can try and help you make better decisions as a beginning trader. So check that out. It's WeTradeHQ.com. Again, the links are in the description below. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.